My name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to confidently use chat in your LyfQuest platform. After signing into your platform, go to the left navigation menu to select chat. Now, go to the plus sign to add the client that you would like to chat with. You can use chat to send information from your computer by using the image icon over on the left side. Select the file you want to send. It can be a document, an image, a video or audio file. Make sure when you label your file that is something that the client will understand. Otherwise, it will just show up with whatever name is on your file. When you are ready to send, click the green arrow, which is the send button. You can also send information from your resources file. You click on the document symbol, select the document from your resource file. Again, it can be a document, audio or video, or an image that you would like to send to your client. In this case, I'm going to send them a contract. Add link, plus the green arrow to send. Lastly, you can send tasks immediately to your client. Here, we're gonna click the 30-day check-in, add the link. Well, that wasn't really the one I wanted to send, so I can use the clear button to clear it before sending and select a different one. Again, click the green arrow to send documents to your client. Now, your client will see chats from you. They will click on the chat button and they can see everything that you have sent. They can send you back a message as well. And when you go back to your website, your LyfQuest platform, you will see a red circle with how many chats you have in there. All you need to do is look for the red dot and it will tell you which client has sent you a message. And here you can see the message from your client. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.